Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at Burlington and I'm seeing what's left. So I hadn't been here in a little while, but they do have some new stuff in, like this spring break shirt for $8. This Bugs Bunny shirt is $8. Then they have some $5 dress shirts. So they're trying to keep things stocked for us loyal Burlington shoppers. But you can look around and see all the empty shelves and empty clothes racks. But it makes for a good shopping experience because there's nobody here. But then there's also nothing to buy. But I did see some cute things that I think were new. So it's worth a try to go to your Burlington and see what they have that's new. So this little jacket is super cute and it's on clearance. And this little romper for a girl would be super cute. Little shorts on clearance. Some pants on clearance. And this shirt, so those pants are $5. This shirt, I thought it was a shirt. And then I realized it was a skirt. Because it looks kind of like a tube top. But it's super cute. But that's why I looked at it so long. I was like, is this a shirt or is this a skirt? But the tag said it was a skirt. So then I thought I would see what they had in the purses. I like this bag. It's super pretty. So I think that's probably new because I don't remember seeing that before. But see, all the purses are wiped out. But what they do have, they put all at one end, which makes sense. So this is a little Guess purse, and it's on clearance. Most of the purses were on clearance, and I think when they're not, then it's new. Like this one, I think these two are probably new because they don't have a clearance tag. And then this is $10 backpack. Super cute. And this is probably new. It doesn't have a clearance tag. Cute little DKNY crossbody. A BCBG Generation crossbody. And then a $20 black bag. This little wristlet is super cute. It's $13 and it's Nautica. And this bag's cute for $15. Here's another bag. And then another little backpack. So then I made my way over to the shoes.